Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about flower collection in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing and eye-catching flower collection decoration idea that suit both homemade and professional parties or any celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Flower decoration idea can evaluate any celebrations. Flower decoration transfer space into bright celebration. All the designs are very unique and trading. If you like more ideas or specific decoration tips, please visit my channel and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. These decoration brings the excitement of every person's life and make the party unforgettable. These decorations are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. You can choose each theme perfect for any celebrations. Consider flowers and themed decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, flower decoration ideas showcase love and celebration. I am sure but flower decoration idea from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing decoration with, and they are so easy to make and beautiful. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas and any celebration ideas, please visit my channel and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.